Embark on an unforgettable expedition into the realm of the mountain giants, where ancient peaks scrape the sky and the air is thin and pure. This journey begins on winding trails that lead through silent, stone cathedrals and past towering evergreens that stand as silent sentinels. Here, the world feels grand and timeless, inviting explorers to walk among the clouds and discover the quiet strength and majestic beauty. Zebras belong to the horse family, Equidae. They're close relatives of horses and donkeys. Zebras can run up to 65 kilometers per hour, 40 miles per hour, to escape predators. Zebras eat mostly grass, but also leaves, herbs, and bark when grass is scarce. Zebras live in groups called herds or harems. White tigers aren't a separate species. They are Bengal tigers with a special color caused by a rare genetic change. White tigers can grow slightly bigger and stronger than regular Bengal tigers. White tigers use their sharp eyesight and stealth to sneak up on prey like deer and wild pigs. Donkeys are known for their strength and endurance. They can carry heavy loads and travel long distances, even in hot and dry deserts. Donkeys have large ears that can hear sounds up to 60 kilometers, 37 miles away in the desert. Chickens have a sophisticated repertoire of over 30 distinct vocalizations. They have different calls for aerial predators, like a hawk, versus ground predators. Chickens are the closest living relatives of the Tyrannosaurus rex. Cats are born hunters with sharp claws, quick reflexes, and excellent night vision. Even well-fed pet cats still love to chase toys, bugs, or shadows. It's in their nature. Cats can see in light 6 times dimmer than humans can. Their eyes have a special layer called the tapetum lucidum. Hyenas are often thought of as scavengers, but they're actually skilled hunters too. In fact, spotted hyenas hunt up to 70 to 80% of their food themselves. Hyenas have one of the strongest bite forces of any mammal, strong enough to crush bones. Black bears are generally not aggressive toward humans and prefer to avoid confrontation. Black bears are highly intelligent and have excellent long-term memory, especially regarding food sources. Black bear is an incredibly adaptable and fascinating creature. Cheetahs mainly hunt gazelles, impalas, hares, and other small animals. They rely on speed and strategy, stalking prey before sprinting to catch it. Cheetahs are listed as vulnerable, with fewer than 7,000 left in the wild. Wolves are the largest members of the dog family, Canidae. Wolves have 42 teeth built for tearing meat and crushing bone. Wolves can run at speeds of up to 37 miles per hour, 60 kilometers per hour when chasing prey. Wolves are carnivores. Horses have lived on Earth for over 50 million years. Horses belong to the Equidae family, along with zebras and donkeys. Horses usually live for 25 to 30 years, but some live even longer. Horses can see almost 360 degrees around them. Reindeer are one of the few deer species to have been widely domesticated, primarily by the Sami people of Northern Europe and other Arctic indigenous groups. Reindeer are surprisingly vocal. They make a variety of grunts and snorts, and a unique clicking sound. Sloths live in the rainforests of Central and South America. Sloths spend almost their entire lives in trees, hanging upside down. Sloths sleep for 15 to 20 hours a day. That's almost their whole life spent resting. Sloths are excellent swimmers. Rabbits belong to a special group called lagomorphs, not rodents. They're closely related to hares and pikas, not mice or rats. Rabbits can run up to 55 kilometers per hour, 35 miles per hour, and jump over 1 meter, 3 feet high. They use quick hops and sharp turns to escape. Hippos spend about 16 hours a day submerged in water to keep their massive bodies cool under the hot African sun. Hippos secrete a reddish, oily substance from their skin. This blood sweat acts as a potent moisturizer, antiseptic, and sunblock. Cows are mammals, which means they give birth to live babies and produce milk to feed them. Cows are one of the main sources of milk, butter, cheese, yogurt, and cream. A healthy dairy cow can produce over 25 liters, 6 gallons of milk per day. Tigers are the largest wild cats in the world. Tigers are solitary animals, meaning they like to live and hunt alone. A tiger's roar can be heard from up to 3 kilometers, 2 miles, away. Tigers have orange coats with black stripes, but some are white due to a rare gene. Pumas have many names. They are also called cougars, mountain lions, panthers, and catamounts, all the same animal. Pumas can run up to 50 miles, 80 kilometers per hour for short bursts. Pumas mainly eat deer, but will also hunt smaller animals like rabbits or raccoons. Alligators play a vital role in their ecosystem. Their gator holes, which they dig and maintain during dry periods, alligators are long-lived creatures. In the wild, they can live 35 to 50 years, and in captivity, Leopards are found across Africa and parts of Asia, from rainforests and mountains to savannas and deserts. Leopard's pattern of rosettes, spots shaped like roses, is unique, just like a human fingerprint. Bulls belong to the same species as cows, Bos taurus. Bulls are known for their muscular build, strength. Bulls can weigh anywhere from 1,000 to 2,400 pounds, 450 to 1,100 kilograms, depending on the breed. Wildebeests are large antelopes found mostly in the grasslands and savannas of Africa, especially in Tanzania and Kenya. Wildebeests are herbivores. They eat mostly grass and sometimes leaves. Wildebeests can run fast. Roosters are known for their distinctive crowing, which usually happens at dawn but can occur any time of day. Roosters are very protective of their flock and will fight predators or other roosters to defend their hens. Roosters play an important role in farm ecosystems. Sheep are domesticated mammals that have been raised by humans for thousands of years. Sheep belong to the same family as goats, called bovidae. A sheep's body is covered in thick wool, which keeps them warm in cold weather. Giraffes were long thought to be mostly silent. However, recent research suggests they hum to each other, primarily at night, and they also communicate using snorts, grunts, and moans. Giraffes have the shortest sleep requirement of any mammal. Giraffe populations are declining, and they are classified as vulnerable to extinction, mainly due to habitat loss, poaching, and civil unrest in parts of Africa. Goats are among the oldest domesticated animals, raised by humans for over 10,000 years. Goats belong to the same family as sheep, called bovidae. Goats are raised for milk, meat, wool, and companionship. Goats have rectangular pupils, which help them see a wide view, almost 320 degrees around, eating grass, leaves, shrubs, and twigs. Goats can stand on their hind legs to reach leaves or fruit on trees. Leading to the vibrant, life-giving arteries of the wilderness. The rivers. To unveil the world of river animals is to peer beneath the shimmering surface into a realm of constant motion and adaptation.